So today on the channel I'll be showing you how to make this super whitening body lotion from scratch. Now this lotion is formulated to help lighten the toughest skins and give you that amazing whitened shade that you're looking for. Welcome to Bloom Skincare, guys. On this channel, we deal with skincare related content. We teach you how to formulate safe and effective products for personal and business use. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please scroll down below and click on the subscribe button to join the Bloom Skincare family. Also turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Let's get right into it, guys. The first thing we're going to do is to make our oil face, and we'll start that off with our shea butter. Now, shea butter is a natural moisturizer that is very good for your body and also for your face. Shea butter does not lighten you. Shea butter is imbibed with vitamins to keep your skin nourished and young looking. So you can use any butter of your choice, be it shea butter, be it mango butter, whatever kind of butter you have available, turmeric butter. Just make sure you add butters to your oil face to ensure that your skin is moisturized properly. Next up, we'll be going in with our co-emulsifier, and what we are using for this formulation is our stearic acid. So we'll be going in with our stearic acid into our oil face. All right, this is going to help with the combination of water and oil, and it's also going to help give the lotion some volume and thickness. So do not miss your co-emulsifier when you are formulating. Also, we'll be going in with our main emulsifier, and the emulsifier of choice we are using today is none other than our e-wax. So we'll be adding in our e-wax into our oil face also. This is going to help make sure that your cream does not separate, like water and oil does not separate. It's going to combine everything together. It's going to help with the stability of your product. Next up is our sunflower oil. Now this is one of my favorite carrier oils, and that is because sunflower oil is a natural moisturizer, but it's also a lightweight oil. What this means is that this oil absorbs very fast into your skin, and that it cannot clog your pores. So this is an oil you can use for both your face and body formulation. That we are done with our oil face. Up next, we'll be moving into the water phase of the entire formulation. So in a different container, we'll be going in with our distilled water. Now you can use distilled water, or you can make use of your rose water, or you can even go ahead and make your own rose water by yourself. But here I'm using just distilled water. And into the water phase of our formulation, we'll be going in with our powder. Our powder of choice is our niacinamide powder, and this can be dissolved completely in water. So we just turn it into our water phase, and then we're going to give this a really good stir until the powder completely dissolves and the water stops being cloudy. You can see how fast and how clear this entire process is. Look at how clear the water is. There's no powder residue anywhere. That's how your niacinamide powder should be dissolved. So up next, into our water phase, we'll also be going in with our Giga White powder. Now this is a very strong and very active whitening powder. This is going to help give you at least 2 to 3 shades. It's going to also give you a uniformed look from head to toe. Giga White powder is one of the fan favorite whitening powders in the market. So once you put this into your water, you give it an absolutely rigorous turn to make sure powder and water is combined together. And then next up, we will be double boiling our oil phase and our water phase, and I'll be right back.
Water and our oil phase has been double boiled, and you can see that everything in the oil phase has properly dissolved. You can also see the same thing with the water phase. There are no grains anymore. So at this point, I am going to be adding oil into water. All right. So note that I'm not adding water into oil. I'm adding oil into water, and then I'm going to continuously stir it until my emulsion begins to form. All right.
So as I continue to stir, you can see my emulsion is beginning to form. My cream has already taken its body. You can see how beautiful the cream is looking, very nice and fluffy in texture. So putting my cream base aside, I will proceed to work on my Kojic Deep powder. Now this is a very powerful lightening powder, capable of working on the toughest skin to take off imperfections and blighting your skin in no time. So to dissolve it, I'm adding in my glycerin, and I'm going to make a slurry out of this. Now making a slurry is just mixing your powder and your glycerin and dissolving completely till you have a smooth cream-like paste. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I want you to see what the paste looks like. Note that you are not supposed to use this directly on your skin. All these powders I'm using, you're not supposed to use them directly on your skin. You're supposed to mix them into your lotion. All right. So we are going to mix this properly and make sure it's all smoothened out, and then we are going to transfer into our lotion. Of course, if you want to double boil this, you should go ahead, but I'm transferring directly into my lotion because the lotion hasn't cooled down yet. It's still hot enough to help this dissolve even better. But you can see I've already dissolved it. The consistency is just like that of my lotion. So I'm just going to make sure I get everything out and then properly stir the lotion. At this point of this formulation, guys, this alone can give you at least 1 shade lighter. It can take you from one shade to the next. All right, but we're going to take this formulation to another level. And also, I want to use this opportunity to inform everyone that our ultra whitening skincare class is currently going on, and the advanced formula, the advanced version of this cream we are making right now, this lotion we are making right now, is what I'm teaching for my ultra whitening class. All right, so please endeavor to make payment for the class. Contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen right now and make payment for your class. We're running a bonus currently, and it's our Easter bonus, and that also includes our classes. So the class is currently going for 20,000 naira. Please take advantage of this and register. Let's make money together in this new year. I just added in my vitamin E, and this is going to act as an antioxidant that is going to help to fight free radicals from your skin. So it's going to keep your skin moisturized and it's going to help fight free radicals. That's amazing. You can use your vitamin E capsules also. In next, we're going in with a preservative. And of course, our preservative of choice is our Gemal Plus. This is going to help keep this formulation from growing any bacterials or going bad. It's going to keep it intact exactly as it is. So the next thing we'll be adding to this lotion is our essential oil, and of course I'll be using my tea tree essential oil. This is one of those underrated essential oils in the market because these can fight and clear your acne. This has different properties. It has antimicrobial properties. It also has soothing properties. All right, so this is very good for your skin. So we're just going to add a couple of drops of our essential oil to the mix. Next up, we'll just give it a proper stir just to mix in these oils very well, and we'll be going in with our next ingredient.
So guys, the next ingredient we'll be adding into this lotion is our rich and pure double serum fast action ginseng and pepper concentrate. Like, this serum is very mild and very nice, and it can give you a real fast action whitening. It's mostly used when making face creams, but because of how effective it is, people use it in their body lotion also. And I'm going to be adding the entire bottle into this lotion. It's a very beautiful bottle, it's a very beautiful serum, and it's also very affordable and very active. Let's not forget that. So I'm going to stir everything in just to incorporate it well, and we'll be going in with our next serum. The next serum we'll be adding into this mix is none other than our skin-free milk. Now, if you're used to this channel, you know that skin-free milk is something I use in my lotions and in my soaps all the time. This is a very powerful bleaching oil. If you do not want to lighten your skin, if you do not want to whiten your skin, please stay very, very far away from this serum. All right, this is going to help make this cream pick up very fast. So if you're using this cream, within 2 weeks you should be able to see results on your body. We're also going to stir our skin-free milk in, and then we'll be going in with our next ingredient. All right, so up next we have our rapid white serum. Again, this is a small but mighty serum. Rapid white serum. We are going to be adding everything into this container. Now, this serum is very amazing. It helps your cream speed up its action very fast, and it's also very good for sensitive skin. Like, it's not going to give you any reaction. It's going to completely give you a completely uniformed complexion. You can see how beautiful this cream is looking. You can see how well blended it is. Note, I've done this entire process without using a hand blender. At this point in our formulation, we are almost done. All that is left to do is to add in a little bit of coloring into our lotion, just to give it a different look. All right, so we're going to add very little. Remember guys, with coloring, very little goes a very long way. It's always best to do it a drop at a time, just few drops like this, and it's going to completely change the color of the lotion. So please be very careful. You don't want to add coloring to your lotion and then it begins to stain your client's skin. That is very, very wrong. So guys, this is what our final product is looking like. Can you see how beautiful and creamy this lotion is? It's so beautiful, my god, and glossy. So this is going to really help whiten you out without drying your skin, because we used a lot of natural moisturizers in here. Now all that is left to do is to turn this lotion into a cream bottle or a lotion bottle, and our formulation is done. Guys, if you've watched this video so far, please do not forget to like, do not forget to share with friends and family, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Please help me and encourage me by subscribing to my channel. It only takes clicking the subscribe button below to join the Bloom Skincare family. We have amazing videos like this for you all the time, every single week. Also remember that our class is still ongoing, so register for our class so that you can gain and equip yourself with the right knowledge to make money this year.